The game of air dominance has changed from dogfight to stealth beyond visual range combat capabilities. The fifth generation fighters will rule the air dominance. F-22 and F-35 of US, Su-57 of Russia and J-20 of China are the few fighter jets operational at present. India is also working on developing its fifth generation fighter jet, AMCA. However, Global Times, a daily tabloid and CCP mouthpiece, has reported that China is now working on a fourth generation fighter jet program. Hello and welcome back to your own channel Indian Defense Analysis, where we bring to you all the latest development happening in the defense sector. In today's video, we are going to discuss in detail about the Chinese fourth generation fighter jet program, and we'll also try to understand why is China investing on a fourth generation fighter jet program while it already have a fifth generation fighter. Before we move ahead, first let's try to understand what does fourth generation fighter jet means for China. In Chinese context, a fourth generation fighter jet is a stealth fighter comparable to the likes of J-20, F-22 and Su-57. Therefore, even though Chinese media reported it to be a fourth generation fighter, it's actually a fifth generation fighter jet. While Chinese media did not reveal the name of the fighter jet, it has attached the photo of FC-31, which is the only known fourth generation fighter jet being made by Shenyang based company. As per the military experts, the FC-31 is just a prototype and its improved version is being speculated to be developed. In the race to develop next generation fighter jet and catching up with the technological advancement with the US, China is planning to develop an aircraft carrier-ready stealth fighter jet. The Shenyang Aircraft Co. Limited released a statement last week on its WeChat public account and revealed its work plan for 2021. The top Chinese warplane producing company recently announced plans to make technological breakthroughs to ensure successful development of a new fourth generation stealth fighter jet and conduct test productions and research on its next generation aircraft in 2021. The company aims to make breakthroughs in its fourth generation fighter jet program by boosting the related technologies including additive manufacturing, control over surface electromagnetic defects, and automated fiber placement so that the aircraft can be successfully developed. China's F-31 is a twin-engine stealth fighter demonstrator, which includes two iteratively different flying airframes that have been under active test flight since 2012 and late 2016 respectively. It is a self-funded technology demonstrator from Shenyang Aircraft Corporation SAC and AVIC rather than a project being actively developed by People's Liberation Army. However, for the last few years, it has been accepted that PLA Navy has selected an FC-31 derived airframe to be developed into its carrier-based fifth generation fighter. Shenyang also noted in its WeChat post that it's beginning the work of next generation aircraft research technologies such as thermal adaptations and integration of structure and function. The FC-31 will be smaller in size when compared to J-20 and will have some of the sixth generation fighter jet technologies such as heavily computer integrated unmanned operations, direct energy weapons such as laser, and will be stealthier than current fighter jets. The fighter jet has a length of 16.9 meter and a height of 4.8 meter and a wingspan of 11.5 meters. The empty weight is about 17 tons and the maximum takeoff weight is 25 tons. The aircraft can carry out missions at medium and low altitudes. The aircraft can be equipped with state-of-art avionics including multifunctional displays, helmet-mounted sight, an electro-optical targeting pod, an attitude-directed indicator, and advanced sensors and communication systems. It will be equipped with Type 1475 AESA radar having maximum range of 222.2 kilometers. It will also be equipped with electro-optical and sensor systems, pod, infrared ray search and track sensors below the nose, and other components such as RW1045 radar warning receiver, MAWS missile warning approach warning system, and laser designator for surface targets only. Talking about its weapon, the FC-31, also known as Shenyang J-31 stealth fighter, can be fitted with one internal cannon two internal weapon bays in the fuselage and three payload hardpoints on each of the two wings. The FC-31 can contain 6 air-to-air missiles including PL-10, PL-12 and PL-21. PL-12 is more capable than American AIM-12A and B, but slightly inferior than AIM-12C with a range of 100 plus kilometers. PL-21 is a long-range active radar homing air-to-air missile under development. The aircraft is also thought to have a secondary surface attack capability where it can carry 50 kg class SDBs internally such as LS-6, FT-7 satellite guided bombs and GB-50 LGB or larger YJ-83K air-to-surface missile and YJ-91 ARM externally under 6 hard points. The internal gun is thought to be installed as well, but its exact location is still unknown. Shenyang is also producer of China's only aircraft-based carrier fighter J-15 Flying Shark, which is an indigenously designed fighter developed from the same prototype as Russian Su-33 fighters. This was today's update. Please let us know what is your views about these in comment section. Feel free to post your comments and suggestions about any topic related to defense sector on which you want to hear from us. With this, I would like to say goodbye and Jai Hind friends. Please like and subscribe our video if you have not done already. We will be soon back with more interesting and amazing development happening in defense sector.